Right now we have a RCF 18-inch speaker here. Model is L18P400. This is a 8-ohm speaker made in Italy. There really are not much on the outside of the box. That's mainly the RCF sign. Right, let's get it open. Right. Alright. So let's get it open here. Right, get that off it. Hopefully I'll be able to operate with one hand. I didn't mount up my actual camera. I'm using my phone. Right, so this is the RCF, the certification here. Their product. See if I can get inside. The plastic. Go to the side here. This is what the certification is here. Alright, this is the speaker here, this is the magnet in the back. This is the negative and the positive connector here. I'm going to take it out of the box in a little while to get it more closer. It's a really heavy speaker. Otherwise under the box there really are not much in it. Let's put it at the side. Alright, so let me take a look on the speaker itself. We have the pins on it right here. As I said, the speaker is very heavy, so I have to be fighting with it right now. Right, it's up here. We're getting closer to the specifications. Hopefully you're able to see it with all the bright light on us. Alright, so I'll read it out for you. There's 2000 watts, right, power. The voice coil is 4 inches in and out, and the hertz is 25 by 1.0 kilohertz, 8 ohms. Alright, made in Italy sign right there. The branding of it here. Right, so let's take a look at how the port's looking on the side. Alright, so this is the port here. This is the white pin going to the speaker here. Right, let's take a look at the front. I could roll it over here. The box a little bit. Alright, so the front of the speaker here. 18 inches of a next speaker right to the side here. This is a 15, so imagine on the 15 into the 18. We have EV here. This is the Pro 15 inch. So as you can see the difference in a 15 and a 18. It's so close, but the difference is really different as you can see here. Right, so that basically look at the speaker. Is the L18P400 from ACF 18 inch TS4 Black Edition out.